Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to take a screenshot on your iPhone. This tip works for iPhone 10 and above. Now, first of all, go ahead and unlock your iPhone and open the screen you want to capture. I'm just going to capture my home screen for now. Now, in order to capture your screen, go ahead and find your power button, which is located on the right hand side of your iPhone, and you'll also need to press the volume up button on the left hand side of your iPhone. Make sure to press the power button and volume up button at the same time. Soon after you do that, you will see a flash on the screen and hear a camera shutter sound. The screenshot thumbnail will appear in the bottom left corner, and that is how you will be able to take a screenshot on your iPhone. If you go ahead and tap on the screenshot, you will be able to edit and share immediately. If you go ahead and swipe it away from your screen, it will be saved in Photos. And that is how you will be able to take a screenshot on your iPhone. The screenshot will then go ahead and be in your Photos album, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with a friend who's always asking how to do this. I will be back again in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe for more.